Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be telling you about data science. Data science is a branch of study which involves obtaining meaningful insights from raw and unstructured data. The colossal amount of data is processed through programming, analytical and business skills. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes and algorithms to produce knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It utilizes techniques and theories derived from many fields such as computer science, mathematics, statistics and information science. There are 4 important use cases of data science. First, data science helps industries for better marketing and customer acquisition. Second, it helps businesses in solving various problems and assist in prompt decision making. Third and major purposes of data science is to derive hidden patterns and trends from the data. Fourth and the most important is data science helps businesses drive innovation and enrich customer lives. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want me to make more such videos for you, please like and subscribe my channel.